so this is Khalid Siddiqui and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I show you how to create digital effects. Let's start. Create a new composition and right here, digital effects. Set the quality presets to HD or Full HD, no matter. Set the duration 5 seconds, click OK. And double click. Let's import the joystick. Drop here and press S, scale down the size. So let's create a mask to create a simple motion. You can create mask from the solid, or you can click here, take a look, deselect your layer and select, turn off the stroke, turn on the fill, white color, double click. And now I want to make animation for this one. Press shift, move and select your layer, press P for the position, go to 3 seconds and move here. So right click, change to easy ease. And now let's change track matte to shape layer. Play, take a look. Let's create effects. Let's apply effects for the shape layer. Go to effects and presets. Right here, turbulence, displace, double click, change the amount 200, change to 20 and 10. Looking good. Let's change turbulent displace effect to pixels. Right here, mosaic, stylize, double click. Let's create horizontal vertical blocks to create pixels. 100 into 25 is looking better. Let's play. Looking good. And now select both, right click, pre-compose and name logo reveal. Click OK. Let's select again logo reveal and let's go to here, right here, fill. Double click and change fill color to white. Let's select again and go to edit, duplicate. And now let's go to track matte, apply logo reveal and invert. Okay, and now select logo reveal, apply another effects, mini max, double click, change operation to minimum and change radius to 2 and change channels to alpha and color. Take a look, the most important point in this to create effects for this motion graphics, the most important point is select logo reveal, move 1, 2 or 3 frames. Look. Select both and right click, go to pre-compose and write logo scan, enter. And now time to go to project, apply logo reveal here. And now select logo scan, change mode to screen and select logo scan, go to effects and presets, right here CC glass, double click CC glass, let's go to surface, change property to alpha and change this one to 10 and minus 50 and change the softness to 1 and change this place to 100. Let's zoom and let's play. Wow, looking good. And hold on, Control on keyboard 0.4. Okay, close this one. Let's apply another effect. Right, displacement map, double click. So the most important here, change 100 and change vertical displacement to 0. Let's play, check, good. Let's create empty pixels. Select again and go to edit, duplicate. Change max horizontal displacement to minus 200 because some pixels looking empty, and close. And now in final, let's apply Colorama. Double click and let's go to input phase. So in input phase and output cycle, change use presets to HUE cycle. So then let's select add phase to logo scan and let's change phase shift to start from blue and other colors, and turn off the modify alpha. Let's check again. Good. Close Colorama and select again logo scan. Let's create glow effect. Double click. Let's control glow effect and double click once again. Here is. Let's play. And now, time to play. New generation of games. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create digital effects on Lego electronic devices. Don't forget like and subscribe and share. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.